Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking hardware support and freeing resources. Enable Intel VTX or AMD VN BIOS because virtualization offloads to the CPU. Next, pick a hypervisor, VirtualBox for simplicity, VMware for performance, or Proxmox for advanced features. Then create a new VM config. Allocate generous RAM and cores so games run smoothly, and choose a performant disk format like QCOW2 or VMDK. Once done, attach the game OS ISO and set SATA or NVMe pass-through. You now install the guest OS from the ISO and follow standard setup, choosing 64-bit and custom partitioning for performance. After installation, configure graphics. Enable GPU pass-through for native performance or vGPU for convenience, because drivers inside the guest unlock hardware acceleration. Install Virtio drivers for disk and network to reduce overhead, then switch the VM network to bridged mode for lower latency. Finally, configure shared folders and input pass-through so peripherals like controllers work seamlessly. You finish by tuning and validating performance. Enable huge images, set CPU pinning, and choose aggressive disk cache policies to cut latency because small tweaks yield big gains. Run a real game benchmark and watch FPS, frame times, and temperatures. Iterate settings until stable. If something breaks, the most common issue is pass-through or driver mismatch, so reset the GPU, verify IMU groups, and update host kernel or guest drivers. Once stable, snapshot the VM and back up the config for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.